What's going on, guys? I'm Joey, your mini movement man. On my channel, we think about exercise and fitness differently to help you achieve an active lifestyle. And today I'm gonna do a product review about the JBL Endurance Jump Bluetooth headphones. I'm looking for a pair of headphones that are gonna be able to stay in my ears when I'm running around doing parkour or up in the air doing flips. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do with you guys today. At the end of the video, I'll check in with a little report to let you know how they did. Let's go! Right out of the box, these headphones came with everything that you would expect. A cord for charging, different size bushings for your ears, as well as this nifty little carrying case. So far, so good. It almost came out on that one, but I gotta say, I was being pretty darn aggressive. I had to commit to that one. Overall, I actually think that they're performing really well. They're staying in there pretty tight. I have to make those little adjustments where you have to turn it into the ear a little more. And sometimes when I do that, I actually tap the function to either pause it or turn them on or off. So I would say that's just one little area that maybe would be a con, is the fact that, you know, when you go to make those adjustments, you might hit a button and you don't even mean to do that. But besides that, you know, right now I really enjoy these a lot. I'd recommend getting them. This is Mini Movement Man. Be kind to one another. Peace out, my friends. That one's a little harder than I thought.